Okay guys, let's not waste our time. Let's go directly. Let's claim our today's daily cipher, which is 1 million hamster combat coins for free. First, click on Enter, tap 3 times. And today's secret code is WEB3. I repeat, WEB3. For W, it's dot dash dash. And for E, it's only dot. And for B is dash dot dot dot. The dot is 3 times. And for the 3, it's dot 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 dash dash. Congratulations, the code is cracked. You are a real detective. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Khalifa FX. Thank you.